I've been noticing this vessel sitting offshore all week, about a mile and a half outside the jetties. Yesterday I decided to check it out and see what the story was with it. And it's pretty interesting information. It's a NOAA vessel, and I'll tell you about it in the video. Please bear with me on the audio editing. I had a stroke and my reading skills had diminished. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you the past track over the last month or so. It's kind of interesting where they've been going. Thanks.
NOAA's Ronald H Brown is a blue water research vessel of the U.S. National Oceanics and Atmospheric Administration. She is NOAA's only global class research ship. The ship is named for United States Senator of Commerce Robert Brown, who was killed while in office in a plane crash on April 3rd, 1996, while on a travel mission to Bosnia. Ronald H. Brown's kill was laid at Moss Point Shipyard in Pascagoula, Mississippi in February 1993, and she was launched on March 30th, 1996. NOAA commissioned her on July 1997 at her home port, Charleston, South Carolina. She was NOAA's first newly built oceanography research vessel in 17 years. At 274 feet in length, Ronald H. Brown is the largest vessel in the NOAA fleet. Her hull is hardened against ice to allow for Arctic and Antarctic research. The ship has a total of 59 bunk spaces and can seat 30 people at a time in the mess hall. The ship also includes a 2-bunk hospital facility. She carries a complement of 6 NOAA Corps commissioned officers, 1 commissioned U.S. Public Health Services medical officer, 22 crew, and a maximum of 31 scientists. The deck equipment features 3 winches, 2 fixed cranes, a portable crane, a hydrographic boom, and an A-frame. This equipment gives Ronald H. Brown a lifting capacity of up to 42,000 pounds. As a research vessel, a substantial amount of the ship is dedicated to laboratories. Included in the 4,100 square feet of laboratory space are a computer electronics lab, biochemical lab, and a wet laboratory. In addition to her state-of-the-art oceanographic sampling capabilities, the Ronald H. Brown has instrumentation to study the atmosphere, including a Doppler weather radar for a better understanding of storm dynamics. On July 18, 2013, Ronald H. Brown departed Charleston. By the time she returned on March 25, 2017, she had spent 1,347 days deployed, the longest deployment by a NOAA ship in the history. During her deployment, she spent almost 800 days at sea and traveled 130,000 nautical miles conducting scientific research and servicing more than 80 buoys that collect environmental data on the ocean and weather conditions at the tropics. So this is off of the marinetraffic.com website, and I printed it out yesterday. Yesterday when you clicked on past track, it showed where all they've been. They came out of Key West, and then went from Key West, they went over here into the Atlantic, and then they came around and they bounced all over the Gulf. And I'm guessing they were doing some kind of hurricane research, I don't know. Anyway, when I clicked on it today, it was still there this morning, and then when I got ready to do this, I clicked on it, and the only thing they're showing is past track. So they cleared all their history this morning sometime, and this is the only history left. But I just thought their past track was pretty interesting, the way they wandered around all over the place. I don't know if they're servicing buoys. They have a lot of buoys that do data, or what the heck they were doing. Anyway, just wanted to show that. I thought it was pretty cool. If you made it this far, thank you for watching.